Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. DIY with Achène and Achène. Today what I'm going to share with you is 3 LED strips. LED stands for light emitting diode. In Mauritius here, I'm talking to my Mauritian countrymen. In Mauritius here we call it LED. It's not LED. What is LED? LED is really a chemical element with the symbol Pb from Latin word plumbum. It has atomic number 82. It is found in the carbon group. It is very dense. It is denser than any common material. It is soft. It is malleable. It has a low melting point, and LED is used extensively in the automobile industry for the manufacture of lead acid batteries. LED. Don't be confused with LED and LED. Today we are talking about LED. I have with me here a couple of LED tube lamps, damaged, which I got from trash. I have this model. It is a seal unit. These two plastic parts at the ends have been glued in this glass tube. If you want to repair it, it's quite a bit far-fetched because you run the risk of breaking this tube. So you can't repair it. We have another model. This model is found in an aluminum housing. It houses the LED strip inside. And this model, you can repair it. Because this stopper, if I can use this term, you need a screwdriver, you put it inside, and you will find, if I show you this one, you will find that there is a small groove here. You will find that there is a small groove here. Right? There is a groove here. And this ends, it clicks into the groove. So what you do, you just remove this, it comes out. This is made of plastic. You just peel off the plastic and you will end up with this. You have to slide out the LED strip like this. So here you have your LED strip. And for this model, what you will be using is a cutter. I've already cut it, okay? What you do is only take the cutter. This is a very soft plastic. You just cut it like this. When you cut it, you remove it. You remove this. With this, you can pull out the LED strip. But it won't come out easily because on the other end, there is another terminal like this. What you will have to do, you need a pair of pliers and you just break it. You just do this and it breaks. It comes out easily. Now when you break these two pins, then it will be easy for you to pull out the LED strip. You will have your LED strip. And as you can find, there is a small circuit board with a few components. We have a transformer, we have the rectifier, we have the capacitors. And basically what gets damaged in this is this capacitor. The capacitor gets damaged. The second problem to repair this is this capacitor is not available. The third problem, if you just try to repair it, the labor cost of this might exceed the price of a new one. So what people they do, they just send it to trash and buy a new one to fix. We will be salvaging all these and we are going to test it. To test it, what you will be needing is a power supply. As you can see, this power supply comes from a computer power supply, which I salvage. I got it from Rush, okay? And I made a power supply out of it. I have a video on this for you. I made it as simple as possible. You can purchase an adapter, 12-volt adapter, to do this. But this, which we call a bench power supply, will give you enough amps to do whatever things you want to do in electronics. So you just refer to my other video on free power supply, free stuff. So now we are going to proceed with the testing of these LED strips. To start with, let me talk about this component. Let me talk about this small circuit board which is found in the LED tube lights. We have a transformer, we have a bridge rectifier, we have other components, some diodes, capacitors. Basically, what gets damaged in this is this capacitor. In most of the LED tube lights, it is this capacitor which gets damaged. Now we are going to test our LED strips. What you will be needing, you need a cutter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You scratch here. You must make this copper strip become live. You must make this copper strip becomes live. And when you test it, okay, no, there's something wrong. It was 8, it came to only 4. Here we have only 5. So this LED strip is not in good condition. You can send it to Bosch. We take the other one. The other one here. You try it. 2, 4, 6, 8. You scratch it here. I have the terminal here. This is the black wire supposed to be the ground. You put it on here and you put this here. Okay. As I explained, it's a diode. It allows current to flow in one direction. Suppose this was broken, you did not know if this was the negative, and you put on this and the positive one. It does not light. It does not allow current to flow in this direction. You put it here, it does not light. In the event that it does not light, you just have to change the polarity to be sure. When you change the polarity, it lights. When you change the polarity, it lights. So this, let me try a third one. 2, 4, 6, 8. Right? So you will have to check all along the strip. Or dead. It works. Here you are. It works. Here you are. No. It works. Here you are. 8. It works. Okay, here you are, ladies and gentlemen. There's a lot of projects that we can do with it. that I'm looking forward to. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and share with your friends so that they can enjoy a lot of my